Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with standard 8 chapter 6. Chapter 6 जो है इसका वो रिव्यू द पाइथन्स। इस चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्टिव कर लिया है। आज इसका क्वेश्चंस लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन देखेंगे कि व्हाट आर द टू फीचर्स ऑफ द पाइथन दैट मेक इट्स यूजर फ्रेंडली। आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज कि पाइथन इज ए जनरल पर्पस हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज विच आर uses variable without the declaration. These variables are the features of this Python are the simple and interactive, platform dependent, case sensitive, object oriented, interpreted language. All these features make Pythons a popular language. It can be used for designing console app, desktop application, web application, mobile application, robotics, and performing the scientific computing. Second question, what is the difference between the interactive mode and a script mode of Python? Interactive mode, in this mode of interpreter, it execute the statement one by one. After the first statement is executed successfully, it moves to the next statement. It means that in the interactive mode, the statements are executed line by line and gives the output instantaneously. Second thing, the script mode. In this mode, Python does not automatically display the result. We use interactive mode when we write the small programs, because the output in the interactive mode is compressed between the statement and is not suitable for the writing lengthy program. So to write lengthy programs, we use a script mode in which we can create and edit the programs. Now question number 3, what is the purpose of adding a comment in the program? What are the two ways used in this comment? Comment are the statements that are added to the program with the purpose of making the code easiest to understand. If we add comment to our program, it will not show the text written in the comments in the output. There are the two ways to add comments. Single line comments. Single line comments are created by beginning a line with the hash character and automatically terminated at the ends of the line. Multi-line comments, we can provide multi-line comments in a program by adding a delimiters, that is the triple apostrophe s at the beginning and the end of the comments. Question number 4, how is the statement different from the if-else statement? If statement if-else से कैसे different है? If statement used to evaluate only one condition. If it perform a course of action, if the condition evaluate to true, otherwise it escape the statement. Where if-else controls structure used to when the either of the two different action are to be performed depending the result of the conditional expressions if and else. In case the condition expression evaluate to true, the statement in the if blocks are executed and result if is false. Now question number 5, what are the differentiate between the function of plus operators when we use integer and strings value? Plus strings operator works on the strings values. Concatenation plus is used to join the two strings value data type of a variable is a string by default, and a strings can neither be added nor be multiplied. What is the difference between the a equal to 10 and a equal 10? Assignment operator equal is used to assign a value to a variable a equal to 10. The value a is assigned to the variable, where a relational operator equal the operators are they used to show the relational between the two operands. They compare the value assigned to the operands and give the output in the Boolean expression equal to double, where a equal to 10. So these are the question numbers 10. Okay, next day I will continue with the chapter 7, that is the iterative statement in the Python. Thank you. Have a nice day.